Hey everybody, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you the mechanical follow focus for the Zhiyun Crane 2 and how you can use a full manual Cinelens like this on your gimbal. I love the Crane 2 and used it for almost every production and wedding film the last couple of months. One of the things I really appreciate about it is the big amount of accessories you can add, like this mechanical follow focus. Everybody who follows me for a while knows that I'm filming with Sony cameras, and the follow focus feature of the Crane 2 only supports Canon cameras so far, which is really annoying because it's one of its main features. But with this mechanical follow focus you are able to use this feature on any type of camera and any type of lens, which I think is really awesome. I always wanted to use my Cinelens on a gimbal. Without autofocus, actually it is not the best idea. But with the mechanical follow focus it is finally possible. Honestly, it is not easy to control the focus completely manual, but it works. So I might have to practice a little bit more. Okay, here's how it works. Just attach this part straight on your gimbal. Screw in the rod and put the follow focus on it. If you do not have a Cinelens like me, you also have to attach this adapter ring to your lens. Then plug in the gear and finally the cables. Turn on the crane and you can use the focus wheel to set the focus manually. Just be aware to turn off autofocus of your camera first. If you're using a zoom lens on your crane, you can also attach this adapter ring to the zoom ring of your lens and use the focus wheel of the Crane 2 as a zoom wheel instead. This might be also interesting for Canon camera users as well, because it gives you a lot of new opportunities to use the Crane 2. For example, you can create vertical shots, which Zhiyun already introduced on the Smooth 4, or react faster to change the focal length without touching the lens itself. And the best about the mechanical follow focus, if you buy the Crane 2 from now on, it's already included. So check the links below and get one if you haven't already.